Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy A80, and today I'll show you how to change date and time settings. So to start off, we'll need to open up the settings app. From here, navigate into General Management all the way down, right here, and then tap on Date and Time. And from here, you have option to use the 24-hour clock or 12-hour one, and also to have it automatically set or manually. If you disable the automatic, you will get the option to change time zone, date, and time itself. So you can tap on set the date, and then choose whatever date you like. Tap on Done, and time, you have the same option. Just kind of flip the wheel, tap on Done, whatever you like, and choose the time zone, whatever it is. So that would be basically how you can change it. Probably the best one would be just to keep it manual. It will then detect where you are in the world and set it automatically, correctly how it's supposed to be. So yeah, so that would be basically how you would change date and time settings. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.